Hi, I'm Tiffany, and this is Terrell, and you're watching the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show. Woohoo!
Oh, yeah.
Hi, I'm Chef Tiffany, and welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where I help my little brother Terrell make some of our favorite meals. Today, we won't have a sidebar, but you'll see why later. I promise you that. So today we're making mug treats. Yes, it's basically a mug cake if you don't know. So, for ingredients, the box comes with rainbow chip cake mix and frosting. So first, the instructions say to empty the cake mix into a mug.
Cake mix. Cake mix?
Dump it into the mug. There you go. Next, you're gonna put some water into it. We're gonna put 3 tablespoons of water. There you go, Terrell. There we go. Now, you're gonna mix it. And there you go. Then you're going to put it into the microwave for about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Let's go to the microwave. So for today, there will be no sidebar. Instead, I will be showing you pictures from my birthday, which was the reason why we didn't record last week. Cue the pictures, whoever's editing. Those were some nice pictures. Nice pictures. Anyway, we finished the mug cake. Be careful because it can be hot. So we let it cool down for a few minutes before we decide to touch it. Now we'll be putting the icing on.
Really? Duchess.
A little messy, but you know, it's still edible. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and our Facebook page at PKCS 2018. Say bye, Terrell.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.